Hello everybody, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. This is a very chaotic start of a video. I'm throwing a birthday party tomorrow for my elder one. It's gonna be like his neighborhood friends and they're gonna have fun together. I'm planning some activities and gonna bake a cake and make some child friendly food and do some coloring and story time, probably something like that. So we are gonna do it all together. I have to show you a Temu haul that I did specifically for his birthday. We are doing under the ocean theme because he's obsessed with sea creatures right now. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna decorate. I'm gonna show you the haul. I think with Temu I kind of have a love-hate relationship. So there are some things that I really love, something that I absolutely hate. We're gonna do all that together, chat about it, and all those stuff. I'm gonna clean up the house, prep the meal, and just do all those birthday thing activities and all that stuff with you guys. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I have two little kids, so it's all gonna be a very chaotic video honestly, but that's what you get if you are subscribed to my channel. If not yet, make sure to do it and give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, all the good things. And yes, this video is hopefully gonna be a really good memory for me, and I am hopefully gonna be sharing it with you. So we'll see how this goes. We are just gonna ignore that he is here. He's gonna make some noise, but I hope all the moms out there especially get what it is to like when you're filming with a child. I'm filming this video for at least 100th time right now, and we are just gonna roll with whatever this is gonna film right now. So yes, first the Temu haul. The things that I got from Temu are here. So the first thing are these goodie bags. So these were 5 inches goodie bags, and I got them because I really like the print of them and that they were resealable. And I know I have done this before where I haven't bought the sealable bags and they kind of spill over. They are a little harder to manage, and I also wanted to send some of them to his school for his classmates. Really cute, really adorable. We're just gonna fill them up to the brim, and what I'm gonna stuff them with I'm also gonna show you in this haul only. The next thing that I got are these birthday banners. So this was like a puzzle to put together. This is like you just thread them together, and the thread is given here also. And then there are these fishes that they have given that you can make a banner out of. So I'm gonna planning on to making 2 banners or 3 banners out of these. I'm gonna show you towards the end of this video everything, so you're gonna be able to see it all in a much better way. The next thing I got are these paper plates, these blue polka dots paper plates, really cute, on theme, really fun. And then I got these balloons, these metallic balloons. Like they were like a set of 10 balloons that I got. And honestly, with everything I try to be a little more mindful, so I reuse almost everything that I buy. The next thing I got is this sable cover. It's just gonna help me put the theme together. That being said, I'm gonna wipe it up and reuse it over and over again as much as it would last me honestly, so that I'm not creating this excessive waste. Now the next thing that I purchased from Temu, and this is I think one of the best things that I purchased, and this is like the best part of the haul right here, are these stickers. So I bought these fish stickers from Temu. I got like 3 different packets of stickers. In one packet there are all these fishes. The next packet there are all these sea creatures. So there's like sea grass and all the corals, and then fishes and octopuses and starfishes. And then in the third packet there are all these aesthetic really blue whales and fishes and sharks and orcas and humpback whales and sperm whales and all those things like that. The next thing that I got from Temu was actually a really big disappointment. I don't know what I was thinking. I saw the word mini and I thought that they were just like small erasers, and since I was getting like 5-inch bags, I was like, you know what, big erasers are just not gonna be handy. I need to have small ones. But these are tiny, okay? Look at the size of these erasers, guys. Like these are tiniest ever erasers. I don't know, like they're super tiny. So this was kind of fail, and at this point when I got my Temu parcel, I just said it to myself that there's no enough party stuffing. So I had to go out to Lulu to see something and to buy some things as like party stuffers. So the first thing I got and I saw and I was really excited to see were these fish erasers. So there were 2 different sizes. These were the medium ones, and then there were big ones also. So I got a packet of this. I love putting stationery in kids goodie bags. I think they are really cute and really helpful, and just like instead of all those hazardous chocolatey and sweety and full of canola oil stuff, these things are much better. And on that note, I did got treats to put in the goodie bag. So these ones are the Lexus chocolates that I got. So these were not on boycott list. These are made in Turkey. I got like a big kg bag of them. And they are like 55% chocolate, 35% of coconut cream, and then all the nasty stuff like oils and sugars. I know, not the healthiest option out there, but much better than your regular chocolate and bunties and lollipops. So one treat in every goodie bag, I think it's gonna be okay. Now the next thing that I got are from Lot. If you don't know what Lot is a newly opened kind of budget Pesa store here in Oman, which has got a pack of balloons as party stuffers. I think balloons are really cute and a really easy thing to put in a party goodie bag. And these blue cushions, these were like I think 900 paisa, less than a real for each of these cushions with the stuffing in them. They are not the most fluffiest cushions, but they are okay, they are good, they are velvety, they have a texture to them. I really like them. Okay, so this is the next day. It's Fajr time right now. So I wanted to kind of change these curtains. I just washed these curtains seat se pehle, but there are bluish grayish curtains in my child's room. वो मैं यहाँ लगाऊंगी, so I washed them. I'm going to change the curtains. I'm going to do a little bit of decoration right now, not everything, because obviously I have kids in the house. If I do decoration right now, it's possible we're going to ruin it by the time the party is going to happen. So a little bit is going to happen right now just to give this house a feel of a birthday. I just want my child to feel special, and then he's going to go to school. So it's like we are on a time crunch, but let's just do it. Okay, so initially I really wanted to do this elaborate decor, and I wanted to use all these fishes and sea creatures that my kids have in order to make that Pinterested ceiling hanging kinda under the ocean theme. But honestly, with everything going around in the world right now, and the calamity that kids are going through, the sadness, and everything basically that's happening, it feels like a borderline crime to celebrate a birthday, especially and I don't know how much I will be able to do with the time, with the resources, with the mental and physical capacity that I have. But anyways, whatever I'm gonna do, I'm gonna share here. So yeah, this video took a turn really quick, but I have already filmed some parts of it, and you're gonna see more of it. Okay, so this is the birthday day, and the kids are here, so you can hear them playing. They're having a great time, by the way. I just set up like a coloring station and everything, and some toys and puzzles and etc. for them over there. So they are really happy, really busy. I'm gonna show you what I managed to get done. I was not able to do like exactly what I wanted to. It's like a very simple, easy, but I'm happy that I did these blue curtains and all. And also I'm gonna show you some balloons, some fish garlands. I did this happy birthday. I did the table setup. The food is not here yet. More balloons. So this is kind of what we went with. I am trying not to show any child, but yes, so this is the room. Okay, so this is the end of today, which means this is gonna be the end of the video. For food, I did a fruit and veg platter, and I also made some pasta. Like, I make this healthier version of a pasta, so I did that today. And I baked a big giant fudge brownie, which kind of acted as a cake for today. We ordered in some pizza. Like, pizza is always the safest bet, so we did that, and it was kind of a hit. Like, it had a lot of fun. Some of them didn't really wanted to go back to their houses, which kind of reflected that they were having fun. Like, it was a financially smart decision, and also it was just a lot easier for me to manage. So yeah, all in all, it was a very good decision. You saw the Temu haul, you know how it went. Some of the things actually really worked really well. For example, these garlands and stuff, and some of them were just like a bit messy. You already saw all of that. So I think I'm gonna just stop blabbering right now because I'm dead tired. I need to clean all this up also. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, have fun. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to. Comment if you have any other questions. I am planning some more really informative videos for you. So that's going to be coming on my channel. So make sure that you're subscribed, and also hit the bell notification to receive the notifications. And yeah, bye bye.